Hi Jefferson 6th graders. I'm excited to bring to you an archaeological dig. I know you guys go over a lot of early civilization, especially the Mesopotamian era and the Egyptian era. I want to introduce you to Tel Akko. It's located in Israel, and it was one of the main ports of ancient civilization. Right here in the Ramport, we have like a little merchant area. We're looking at Assyria and Persia, pottery here that we're finding. So it's about the 8th, 7th, 6th century, and we have one particular square that's in the 5th century BC. So I wanted to kind of let you know a little bit about the dig, and so I'll show you various videos throughout my journey here. Okay, so here is our dig site.
Yeah, so tomorrow we'll work on our plan.
So this site has seen the world powers at the time were Mesopotamia, Egypt, and Assyria. And so this kind of rampart or mountain-like hill